The all-new 2025 Nissan Kicks. Feel the grip, grab the streets, and attention with its all-new dynamic design. Every square inch is cool and tech-packed. Conquer the city with intelligent all-wheel drive. Surprise showers? Bring it. Get extra grip when it's wet. More control brings more confidence. Up to 4 drive modes let you fine-tune your drive with a tap. Kicks dials into the elements so you can stay in yours. Carve city corners with attitude and agility. The intelligent all-wheel drive system plus a new rear suspension helps enhance handling. A new engine with increased power means you're quicker off the line, quicker to the action. Looking for serious fun? Hit Sport Mode for greater throttle response, a tighter feel, and a drive like you could only imagine. Sound exciting? It is. Want a smoother drive? Hit Eco Mode to maximize your driving efficiency. Mile after mile after mile. Kicks is the ultimate fit, the city-loving, adventure-seeking SUV that adapts to fit you. Start it remotely. It's ready when you are. Kicks heats up or cools down before you even get in. Once you're in, it's high-tech simplicity in every corner. Zero-gravity seats can help reduce fatigue on long drives. Even the AC controls got a sleek upgrade. Got friends? Bring 'em. A dual-panel moonroof means more views. A versatile cargo area fits more stuff. Longer items? Fold the rear seats. Even with the seats up, everyone's luggage has a spot. With all this space, there's room to chill. On-grid or off-grid, Kicks lets you pack it in and get out there. Set the pulse and go. Instant front row with speakers built right into the headsets for you and your lucky +1. A totally new sound experience. Dial the music to rock center stage or open arena style. So go on and soak in the sound. Huge dual displays, front and center, give a better view and more options. Your screens, your world, find the right fit. Your music, maps, and favorite apps are a touch away. Stay powered up without plugging in. Kicks has all the tech you need to get after it. When it comes to driver assist tech, Kicks helps sense the unexpected. Want to transform your commute? Activate Pro Pilot Assist. It monitors the vehicle ahead and can adjust your speed. So sit back, relax your hands and your feet, even in traffic. Kicks not only assists you when you're driving, it has eyes all around when you're parking, with a split-screen virtual composite view that gives a 360 perspective to help you pull in or back out. Motion sensing cameras read the environment and even detect movement around the car. Now let's talk big picture. Safety Shield 360 comes standard and can help protect you from the unexpected. Like that bike rack you didn't see, Kicks can sense it and help stop you before it does. It can even spot cars creeping in from the side. Kicks also watches your front, because some people might not be watching. You wanted smart tech? You got it. And then some. Pretty genius all around.